Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe to receive notification for my videos. We have expansion by grid method. This is our grid, and what I have done is I have chosen this to multiply this, or you can say this one to multiply this one. Remember, whichever one you have chosen to multiply the second one, you're still going to get the same answer. So the grid method is quite easy and straightforward. I'm going to multiply this by this, and I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to multiply this by this, and I'm going to put it here. So 3y multiplied by 4y would give me 12y squared. 3y multiplied by minus 3 would give me minus 9y. You're going to do the same thing. Minus 3 multiplied by 4y. That will give me minus 12y. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. That will give me plus 9. Remember, the method is you multiply each number such that your answer is just directly below it. I'm going to multiply this times this. My answer is going to be below my 3y. 3y multiplied by minus 3. My answer is still going to be below it. Minus 3 multiplied by 4y. I'm going to get minus 12y. It's going to be below minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. I'm going to get plus 9. Now I'm going to write it out. I prefer to do minus this is not minus. Remember, this is just my, so it's 12y squared minus 12y. I've decided to write the one up here first, and then I'll go to the second line. Minus 9y plus 9. This is going to give me 12y squared minus 21y plus 9. That is my answer. The grid method is quite easy and straightforward. The second example. I'm going to do 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times minus 3, minus 6x. Minus 1 times x, minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3, plus 3. Again, I'm going to write it out. So I'm going to have 2x squared minus x minus 6x plus 3. My answer is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. That's my answer. We can move on to expansion cubics using grid method. It's the same thing, but remember, we need to start by expanding one pair of brackets first. So I'm going to expand this one. So I'm going to do x and then minus 3. And I'm going to do x plus 2. Remember our sign again, don't forget. X times x, x squared. X times plus 2, plus 2x. Minus 3 times x, minus 3x. Minus 3 times plus 2, minus 6. My answer is going to be x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. What I've done, I've written this out and I've written this out. So my answer is x squared minus x minus 6. Remember, that is just expansion of this one. I have to now include x minus 1. I'm going to repeat the grid method again, such that I'm going to do x squared minus x. I'm spacing it so that I don't make mistake and so that my work is clear and neat. And I'm going to have my x here and then my minus 1. X squared times x. I'm going to have x cubed. X squared times minus 1 minus x squared. Minus x times x minus x squared. Minus x times minus 1 plus x. Minus 6 times x minus 6x minus 6 times minus 1 plus 6. Remember, it is the same method. Now I'm going to write everything out. I will write this one out first, and I'm going to now write this one next. X squared, x cubed minus x squared minus 6x minus x squared plus x plus 6. Then I'm going to collect like terms. X cubed this is x minus x squared minus x squared. That will give me minus 2x squared. Minus 2x squared. Then I have minus 6x plus x. That will give me minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 6. That is my answer. Let's do one more cubic expansion using grid method. We are going to use the same method, and what I've decided now is to do this one first. Whether you do this pair first or you decide to do whichever pair you do, as long as you take your time and you space your work and you follow the easy steps, you're going to get the same answer. So I'm going to do a minus 1, 2a plus 1, such that I'm going to do a times 2a squared. A times plus 1, plus a. Minus 1 times 2a minus 2a. Minus 1 times plus 1 minus 1. I will write it out. I'm going to have 2a squared minus 2a plus a minus 1. This is going to give me 2a squared minus a minus 1. That is the solution to the first pair of brackets. Remember, I have a minus 2 left. So I'm going to put this in bracket. I'm going to put the quadratic equation on the top. So I'm going to have 2a squared minus a minus 1. Like I said, I'm spacing it so that I'm not going to get confused when I'm doing my grid. And the next thing I'm going to write is a minus 2. 2a squared times a, 2a cubed. 2a squared times minus 2, minus 4a squared. Minus a times a minus a squared. Minus a times minus 2 plus 2a. Minus 1 times a minus a minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2. Now let's write it out. 2a cubed minus a squared minus a minus 4a squared plus 2a plus 2. I'm going to collect the like terms. 2a cubed, remember, minus a squared minus 4a squared. That will give me minus 5a squared. Then I'm going to do minus 2a minus a plus 2a. And that will give me plus a. Then I have plus 2. That is my answer. Easy peasy. I hope my explanation is easy for you to understand, and I shall be posting another topic soon, and I think that will be factorization. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.